Alright, I have this Audi car lens camera. Now this is gonna be a painful one to work with, and I still have yet to decide whether I want to work on it or not. Why is there a coil here? Okay. Whoa. What the hell? So the guy has heated this up so much that the inductor fell off. Coil has fallen off. My biggest worry is, let's see if we can see the condition of just the ball. See if we can see anything interesting here. Okay. No, I can't see jack there. Maybe here we can see on the camera. The ball at the very end is probably lifting up. Maybe not making good contact. So the chip physically looks okay condition. Let's say the chip will be fine. How about here? Oh my god. So we're gonna fix up all those pads. Okay, the biggest worry of course is this. Let's just see quickly continuity. There's no continuity, mate. Okay. No continuity. One has continuity. No continuity. So we can't really work with such a thing where one has, could have been ground maybe. Okay, one has continuity, one not, etc., etc. Where did we even find one of these? Okay, so we need one that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 pin. Just another random one. It seems like a ground pin too. No. Okay. I would say they still have continuity there. Probably needs to be trimmed out. Alright, I'll let them know if we can do it or not, because it's quite bizarre. Yeah, we have like ground pins here touching, but pretty much no beeps. Yeah, okay. Alright, we'll consider this, whether we're going to do it or not. I'll come back later on. So that's part one.